front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flirt2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it, and then thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!